An offshore asset recovery specialist told the High Court in Kuala Lumpur on Monday that she could not confirm whether fugitive businessman Low Taek Jho, better known as Jho Low, was the number one figure in the alleged conspiracy involving funds from One Malaysia Development Berhad, 1MDB. However, Angela Barkhouse, managing director of Kroll, Cayman Limited, and head of Kroll's offshore practice, said individuals who received the funds would naturally be of interest to her investigation. She was testifying under cross-examination by Najib's lead counsel, Tan Sri Muhammad Shafi Abdullah, on the fifth day of 1MDB's $5.64 billion civil suit against Najib and 6 others before Judicial Commissioner Muhammad Redzwan Idris. 1MDB and its subsidiaries, 1MDB Energy Holdings Limited, 1MDB Energy Limited, 1MDB Energy Langat Limited, and Global Diversified Investment Company Limited, formerly known as 1MDB Global Investments Limited, filed the suit on May 7, 2021. The defendants are Najib, former 1MDB Finance Director Terence Gay Cho Heng, former Executive Director Casey Tong Keng Chi, former Chief Investment Officer Vincent Beng Huat Ko, former Chief Operating Officer Radhi Muhammad, former Investment Director Kelvin Tan K. Jim, and former Chief Investment Officer Nick Faisal Arif Kamil. The writ of summons alleges, among other things, breach of trust, breach of statutory duty, abuse of power, and conspiracy to misappropriate 1MDB funds. The civil suit is being heard separately from the criminal proceedings against Najib. On December 26, 2025, Najib was sentenced to 15 years in prison and fined 11.4 billion ringgit after being found guilty of abuse of power and money laundering involving 2.3 billion ringgit in 1MDB funds. The trial resumes on Tuesday.